Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something very basic, taking off the tailgate. As always, if you need any parts, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so let's open it up. There we are. Got your cables here. These are fairly easy to remove. We're not going to take it completely off of the tailgate, we'll leave it on, but if you were going to replace it, I can show you how to do that too. We'll do that in another video. As for now, we're just going to do this, lift up on the tailgate and slide that right out. I'm going to come over to the other side, do the same thing, lift up a little bit on the tailgate, do this, slide that out. We'll put our screwdriver down. Now I'm going to come over, I'm going to lift it up from the passenger side, up and out. Easy peasy. All right, so let's get our tailgate back on. Just gonna bring it up, grab this. I'm just gonna go like this and put just one side on for now. Okay, I'm gonna take this, bring it in, slide it right in just like that. The reason why I put this side cable on is just in case, God forbid, something happened, it'll be holding on there for me. I'm gonna take this side, bring it over, slide it in through this, and then down. Ready? Bonk, bonk. Put this just like that. Let's give it a try.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.